In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use conversations in Smartsheet. Conversations are a great way to keep all your discussions tied directly to the work you're doing instead of scattered across emails and chats. In Smartsheet, you can attach a conversation to a specific row or even to a specific cell so everyone can quickly see the context behind a decision or an update. Let's start with how to open a conversation directly from a cell. When you're looking at your sheet in grid view, move your mouse over the cell where you want to add a comment or start a discussion. Inside that cell, you'll see a small conversation or comment icon appear. It usually looks like a little speech bubble. Click on that icon. The moment you click it, a conversation panel will open. Here, you can type your message, ask a question, or leave instructions for your team. This keeps your note attached to that exact cell, which is especially helpful if that cell contains something important like a due date, a status, or a key number. Anyone who has access to the sheet will be able to see that conversation when they click the same icon, so your communication stays visible and organized. If you don't want to click directly inside the cell, there's another convenient way to access conversations. Look over to the right side of your Smartsheet window. You'll see a vertical